Hair update, guys. It took me time to give a hair update. If you don't know what is this about, I had my hair treated sa Shine Salon. It's their collagen treatment. Yun yung pinakamahal ang alam ko. It costs around almost 4,000 depending on the length of the hair, but I think the standard is about 3,500. So it took me like almost 3 months before giving a hair update because I want to really see na gaano ba siya katagal maglalast. Because sabi nila, every 3 months bago ka magpa-hair treatment ulit. Okay, so this is now my hair. After almost 3 months, it will be 3 months on the 16th. Today is June 9. This is my hair without any styling. Ayan. So as you can see, it's not that straight anymore. Pero wala din naman talaga silang sinabi na it will be like super straight. So if you like a hair treatment that will really make your hair very straight, like yung parang medyo rebond style na siya, this is not the hair treatment for you. Because this is not what they offer. Regarding frizziness, it really helped my hair. Kasi as you can see, before yung hair ko talaga sobrang dry, sobrang frizzy. But as you can see, my hair right now is not looking that way. I washed my hair last night and this is how it looks with 90% pa lang siya almost yung pagka-dry. Putol-putol yung hair ko before and it's still like that right now pero it's more healthier looking. I don't think naman kasi hair treatment can treat yung ganong klaseng problema ng buhok ko. But when it comes to the frizziness, as you can see, it's healthier. Mas madali na siyang i-style kapag magpa-plancha ako ng buhok. Mas mabilis na lang siya. Don't need to do lots of straightening bago makuha yung desired kong style. By the way, hindi ko in-add dun sa video ko before. Meron ding kasaling free haircut yun.